Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using automatic options, so nowhere provided time and time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and pick it from this calendar. For example, this one, tap on OK, it will be immediately applied, and the same situation with the time. Right now we can choose it from this clock, so first of all the hour and then minutes, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is also immediately applied. Let's tap on the time zone because we can also change it. Let's tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. For example, this one. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the time format, and you can either use local default or decide manually which format you want to use. Currently we've got the 24-hour format, and if you want to use 12-hour one, simply turn off this option by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied also. So this is the manual customization, and you can always go back to previous settings, so the automatic settings, just by tapping on those two switchers at the top. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.